Hi, today I'm going to show you the simple steps to change your Erhu strings. Trust me, it is not that difficult. You can do it yourself. So I have a set of Dunhuang Mudan strings here. These are the new packaging as of today. I don't know why they keep changing packaging. I suspect this is to prevent counterfeits. This is a serious problem for them, so maybe they are making it difficult for those people to copy. Go for authentic Dunhuang strings. Buy from us. It is a bang for a buck strings. However, today is not about strings comparison, so we'll do a full video about different strings in the future. So right now, subscribe to our channel, press on the button, click on the bell next to it to enable notifications. First, you need to prepare both inner strings and outer strings. Inner strings is 内弦. So this is the 内弦, the D string, which is actually thicker. And the outer string, this is 外弦, the A string, which is thinner. And now it is time to remove your O strings. Remove your O strings one by one. Don't loosen both strings at the same time because you want to reuse your 千斤 here. So now I'm going to change the outer string. So this one, the string at the lower peg here, this is the outer string. So to loosen, right, I will need to turn away from me, this direction. So turning now, loosen. Oh, the string is out. Then I'm going to put a fine tuner. Take out the fine tuner. I'm going to put it here. And hold on to your bow and pick out the string like this. Okay, the outer string is out. The old one is out. Now to put a new one. So this is the outer string. Notice I didn't loosen my inner string here. So I just leave it intact. I'm going to put my bow here. So now I'm going to hook the string. You see this pin here? I'm going to hook it through using this loop of the string. Then you need to make sure that the string is on top of your damper and your bridge. The string should be resting in between the ridges of the bridge. And then the next thing you do is you put it in between your legs like that. Clamp it tight. So now this end of the string go through the 千斤 string, the bottom of the 千斤 string, like this, right? Then next is you have the tuning peg here. Notice there's a hole in the tuning peg. So now you need to poke the pointy end of the string through the hole on the tuning peg. Right? Notice that the string has went out to the other side of the tuning peg. Now you have to retract the string until you cannot see it. So now, king the string a little bit here. Just press it in, then pull the string like this. Just pull it, not so hard, just gently pull it. And then start to roll. Right, roll the string upwards. So turn the tuning peg towards you, like this. Roll it, roll it. This part is a little bit draggy, so I'm speeding it up. Okay, try not to overlap the strings while you're rolling. So just roll it up. You can overlap once at the start, so that the strings are firmly placed. So let you have a closer look, right? So we overlap the first part of the string here and the rest we do not overlap. Okay, so make sure that the string sets on top of the bridge here, like that, right? So now I'm going to tune a little bit. I'm just using my ears here so that there's slight tension. I don't need to tune it accurately for now. Okay, so I'm done with the outer string. Now I'm going to remove the inner string. So you turn towards you, this direction. Yeah, turn out. Okay, the inner string is out. And then I'm going to take out the fine tuner. Just leave it one side. And then like the outer string, I just unhook from the bottom. Now take a new string. Just hook this. Sorry, uncoil this. So I hook it like what I did for the outer string just now. Okay, so now you must make sure that your inner string doesn't overlap with the outer string. So yeah, so you put it here like this, and then after you go through the 千斤 string. Yeah, make sure they don't tangle together. And then now you have to poke it through the tuning peg like what I did for the outer string. I'm gonna tension it, pull it towards me, yeah, and then now slowly turn this direction away from you. So turn. Now I can overlap the string once. Then I'm not going to overlap again. Just keep it rolling, 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 rolling. Yes, keep turning. Then there you go. Almost there. Yep, everything is in place. Okay, now I'm going to attach the fine tuner. Attach on the inner string. So I'm going to loosen the fine tuner first. Loosen the string slightly. Okay, it's loose enough. I'm going to insert the fine tuner here. There you go. Tighten a bit. Yeah. So there's some tension on the string here. The next thing, I'm going to loosen the outer string to insert this fine tuner. So yes, so both strings are on the Erhu now. Everything looks fine. I'm just pressing it, season the string a little bit. Then the next thing to do is to attach the bow back. There you go. So yeah, I'm done changing the strings. The next step is to tune the Erhu. I'm not going to do it in this video. Do check out our Erhu tuning video. And also we have a setup Erhu video. We have a lot of materials for the Erhu. So remember to subscribe to our channel and watch those videos and you will be very familiar with your Erhu. So that's it for today. Thank you for your time and bye bye.